Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all doing well at your home. Today we are learn about after number and before number. After and before. Page number 6. Before and after. I hope you must have completed your assignment and sent it to me. Let us start before and after. You can see here some weeds present with number 1 1 1 2 2 beads 1 2 3 3 beads 1 2 3 4 4 beads 1 2 3 4 5 5 beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 beads 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 beads. So now you can understand the numbers which is come after and before 1 1 comes after 1 comes before 2 and 2 comes before 3 and 3 comes before 4 and 4 comes before 5 5 comes before 6 6 comes before 7 7 comes before 8 and 8 comes before 9 and 9 comes before 10 and 2 comes after 1, 3 comes after 2, 4 comes after 3, 5 comes after 4, 6 comes after 5, 7 comes after 6, 8 comes after 7, 9 comes after 8 and 10 comes after 9. One, two, three. Now, where is 2? Where is 2? You can write in two ways. How? 2 comes 2 comes before 3 and 2 comes after 1. 2 comes before 3 and 2 comes after 1. 1, 2, 3. 1 is before 2 and 2 is before 3. So 2 comes before 3 and 2 comes after 1. Let one example more. 4, 5, 6. Where is 5? 5 comes before 5 comes before 6 and 5 comes after 4 4 then 5 and 5 comes before 6. Now if the box is made before 2, so what you write here? 2. So which number comes before 2? Which number comes before 2? 1. And if you have box like this, after 2 means after 2. Which number comes after 2? 2, 3. It's clear to all of you. So before means less number, a smaller number, and after means greater number, one's greater number. And same in 4, 5, 6. If 5 is here and here, if box is made before 5, which number comes before 5? 5. 4. 4 comes before 5. And which number comes after 5? 5 and then 6. It's clear to all of you? Good. Now page number 7. Let's see the question. Tick the number which comes after. So count the object and tick in the number which come after. 1, 2, 3. 3 sharpener. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sharpener. So you can see here 3 sharpener in this side and 4 sharpener in this side. So which number come after? After 6 comes after 5. So 5 is greater. So greater number is comes after. And here 5 comes before 4. 5 comes before 4. 5 comes after 4. And 5 comes before 6. So 5 and then 6. 6 is greater. So the 6 comes after 5. 6 comes after 5. 5 and then 6. So which is smaller? Smaller is 5 and greater is 6. So greater number comes after. Tick here 3 sharpener in one side and 4 sharpener is on another side. So which comes after? 3 or 4? Greater number comes after. So you tick in the 4 sharpener. And next question, count here caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many caps? 6. And in another side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 caps. So which comes after? Which number comes after? 6 or 5? Which is greater? 6 or 5? 6. So 6 comes after. You tick here. Next, dice. Let count the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dice in one side? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dice in another side? 8. So which is greater, 7 or 8? 8. Then 8 comes after 7. You can see clearly. 4 comes after 3. So we tick in 4. 6 and 5. 6 comes after 5. So we take in 6. 7 and 8 comes after 7. That's why we take in 8. So after means greater number. It's clear to all of you. Next question, tick the number which comes before. So you can see here some objects comes before means lesser number, smaller number. Okay, in both side. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. So which is smaller, 2 or 3? 3. So 2 or 3? 2. 2 is smaller. So which number comes before? 2, so you take in 2. 1 2 3 4, 4. 1 2 3, 3. So which is smaller, 4 or 3? 3, so we write in 3, so we take in 3. Next globe, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 globe in one side, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 globe is on another side. So which is smaller, 7 or 6? 6, so 6 comes before. 3 and 2, 2 is smaller, so 2 comes before, so we take in 2. 4 and 3, which is smaller, so 3, so we take in 3. 7 and 8, 6, 6 is smaller, so 6 comes before, we take in 6.